Hey Dan, I spoke with Catalina today, and she gave me your email because she really thought I could help you out in generating more clients for your business. So, if someone types up window cleaning San Antonio, you guys pop up great in the maps and great in the organic listings. However, I know this isn't the only service you guys offer, and if you want to make more money in different areas, such as I know you offer gutter cleaning and pressure washing, these actually aren't that hard to take over. So my tool is estimating 390 searches a month for pressure washing. This is an average. Obviously, it dies down at certain times of the years. Same thing with gutter cleaning. So I'm going to use gutter cleaning as an example. First guy is these people called Gleam Team. For pressure washing, first people, I'll see your ad there, that pop up are these people called SupremePowerWash.com. Now, Gleam Team. These are the guys you got to beat for gutter cleaning. If you want a separate video for pressure washing, we can do that also. But for this video, we'll just do these. So, as far as gutter cleaning is concerned, you need to have actually more content on your page. Google loves content. It loves to know what you're doing. It loves for it to be topic relevant, and it has to be associated with whatever you're trying to do. So it says a lot about window cleaning, which is cool. But if you wanted to rank for the other ones, you could actually add more content here about your other services, or you can add service pages. Like, see this gutter cleaning one? You can add more power to that one. And you can put a lot more words because you only have 411. If you wanted to bump these up and pay for less ads, it's the same with pressure washing. All you got to do is bump up the amount of content you have and make sure that let me just verify your structure real quick. Okay, so you have to fix your structure as well. The structure, these are like the bones of your site. You have header tags throughout your site. You have an H1, which is what the page is going to be overall, what it's known for. Sorry about that phone call. And then you have H2, which are topics throughout your site. H3s are subtopics. I'm sure you can understand. And then it goes down from there. H4 is subtopics of that, and then it goes down. But, like I'm saying, the structure is a little off. The amount of content you have needs to be bumped up. Now let's see what these guys are doing. These guys got 3,400 words about gutter cleaning. So this is what's going to make them super authoritative when it comes to ranking. Oh, okay, so they're linking to their blogs. That makes sense. So that's why they're super authoritative as far as gutter cleaning is going in San Antonio. And look at these. We'll look at their H1 tags and all their structure. So their H1, what they're overall known for is San Antonio gutter cleaning. And pictures of your gutter cleaning results, Gleam Team gutter cleaning. Structure could be better, but they at least have the San Antonio gutter cleaning correct, so I'm sure they're getting a lot of power through that. They have a lot of words. Next, I want to talk about backlinking. Now, backlinking is something that's equivalent to a vote from another site. Now, this vote can be in the shape of an article. So let me give you an example. If a news station writes an article, like a 500-word article, and it has a link in there that sends people to your site, that's a backlink. I mean, links can be in all different forms, but it looks like you have 197 links. Now, DR stands for domain rating. Effectively, this is a trust factor Google has in your site instead of 100. URL rating. This is the power factor Google has in your site. So trust, power, backlinks. These guys have, I think you guys have 59 or 197. So these guys have over double their metrics. It's 19 and 20, 19. So you have a little more power, but they're just more trusted, and they have so much more backlinks that they're outranking you by a lot. Now, increasing the amount of backlinks is vital for good SEO, and that'll bump up your rankings as well. Next, I want to talk about rankings in the map. Now, this affects here for the most part. So, this is influenced by the backlinks and content, like I said, but a large factor in this actually is the amount of citations you have. I always put 300 to 400 citations on a client's site when I first get it, because not all of them are actually recognized by Google. So it's picking up 11 citations from your site and the authorities out of 100. So you could definitely use better quality citations and a lot more citations. And that'll actually boost your rankings up in the map. Well, if you like what I'm saying and you want to talk more, just remember the 3 steps to generating more sales for SEO is going to be generating more content. Now, you're going to have to do this on different service pages if you want to rank for different keywords so you can stop paying for ads. I recommend 1,500 words at least, but seeing your competition, I do probably 4,000 for gutter cleaning and then about the same for power washing. Next is backlinks. You can actually get the articles written about you, and they can talk about whatever service you're offering, and that makes it more authoritative of a backlink for that service. So you need more backlinks, you need more citations. These are directories, and you put your listing in there and it has your name, your address, and your phone number. That's the biggest thing. Alright, just remember my email is george@underdogleads.com. Website, underdogleads.com. My phone number is going to be attached at the bottom of the email I'm going to send you. And if you ever want to talk, just let me know. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Have a good one.